The MDO-2000E series is multifunctional mixed-domain oscilloscope, including oscilloscope, spectrum analyzer, arbitrary waveform generator, digital multimeter, and power supply. Only the MDO-2000E provides both time domain and frequency domain test capability in the same category. Utilizes Xilinx Zinc SoC platform. The internal is a dual-core processor ARM Cortex-A9 1 GHz CPU. The calculation capability is beyond that of the same category. Provides 1 mega FFT for high-resolution frequency domain measurement and 120,000 waveforms per second update. Higher waveform update rate allows users to capture rare transient signals. Built-in serial bus trigger and decode function. Users don't have to pay for these functions, which are options for other brands. Only the MDO-2000E provides the spectrum analyzer function in the same category. It allows users to set center, start, stop frequency, and span. The operation is very close to desktop spectrum analyzer. Conventional DSO's FFT always calculates the entire signal bandwidth up to half the sampling rate. This series allows users to analyze frequency domain of interest. The MDO-2000E allows users to set spectrum trace in normal, maximum hold, minimum hold, and average mode. By FSK test, users can clearly identify maximum frequency and minimum frequency from the spectrum analyzer. Otherwise, the normal FFT resolution of competitor product is insufficient to identify maximum frequency and minimum frequency. By the same test condition, we can observe easily that the update rate is faster in the MDO-2000E than the swept-tuned spectrum analyzer. This is remote control test. The MDO-2000E can obtain correct frequency of a variety of remote control. The MDO-2000E provides FRA function, frequency range from 20 Hz to 25 MHz. It allows users to generate bode plot and provide diversified app. To sum up the above features, the MDO-2000E provides all functionalities in one instrument, which is suitable for educational courses and basic tests and measurements, allowing users to analyze and debug in dual domain that is no longer a far-fetched dream.